I always like to find new approaches that work, new tips and tricks, really to help you out and to help myself out. And came across one where a marketer generated 11,592 leads for Venture Pact. And Venture Pact is a software development marketplace. And what they did is they launched a lead generating calculator that basically asked the question, find out how much your app costs. And the landing page you see here converted at 66%. 66%. And this was followed by 8 questions with multiple choice answers. They asked what platform they were on. I mean, basically all the qualifying questions your salesperson would ask to get to understand that person's particular app. But it did one extra thing. It not only asked for that user's email address, it asked for anybody they'd recommend the app to, their user address as well. And then the final page with results included, and that's the results of the calculator, included a call to action leading the company or leading whoever's taking the or using the calculator back to the company's website. And that was even a 4% conversion rate. So what was most interesting though for me, not just the leads, but they promoted the calculator on Quora. And they looked for related questions to how much it costs to build an app and just posted the link there. And the result from the calculator boosted traffic by 15%, generated 11,592 leads, and increased the conversion rate by 28%. Now that's clever. That's something that you should look to implement if it makes sense in your business.